Okay, if you look at the signal, there's a major difference. Like black brackets. Like a realistic signal. And there's an extra back box on the back, but I'll get to that. And I took out the key switch and replaced it with a button. So, connect the battery. It's basically almost the same system as before. 3, 2, 1. And yeah, and you got the pull cord and the counterweight. But sometimes it gets stuck in this up position, which I gotta fix that. So then you just have to push it up a little. Then you press the button again. Okay. So right here you can see there's a headlight button for a car. And then these two lights, this one's on a closed circuit, so that will turn off. The orange light will turn off when the button's pressed. But the red light's on an open circuit, so the red light will turn on when the button's pressed. Because the switch, I didn't do any other circuitry. The switch is an open and closed circuit in one. And then these two green LEDs down here. The top one's for the right light, and then the top one, and then the bottom one's for the left lights. So 3, 2, 1, and that turns on. That lights up when you press it. So then those are flashing. Then it switched from orange to red. And the lights are flashing. So yeah, that's basically the newly updated signal. Wait, let me close the shades. The glare. And okay, let me do something. Yeah, this is cool. Like, see how it's dark and stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna trigger it. And at one point there was a hinged gate at the end, so it would like stop, like go all the way up there, because this is in my living room, and it stops the path. And I moved the blue sign up. This is a Mass Coastal blue sign, and it's milepost 78.5 or the Hyannis rail yard. That's why that one right there says 78.5. Okay. I was just doing something. 3, 2, 1. New light bracket. Oh yeah, and you still got the beeper. Or the wee wee. I'm gonna trigger the wee wee. My finger just pushed it a little, that's why it turned off in between. You can see the gate lights. So these are not incandescent, these are LEDs, but the flasher circuit I got makes them look like they're incandescent. But these don't do anything because they require a certain voltage, I'm guessing. And then this is just connected right to the power output of the switch, so that's why that's always solid. Guess what? So this light bracket yesterday, I cut the wood myself with a handsaw and maybe an axe. That's why that looks like that, because I cut it with an axe. So I cut this light bracket, and I basically made this whole signal from scratch. Well, my dad helped me with a couple of things, but I basically did it, the whole thing. So yeah.